Hello everyone, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Shingo Mufawa. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We want to create a community here. In today's video, we are going to talk about plagiarism and how to avoid it, even if you're in a rush. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. Your assignment is due in 6 hours. You've got the tabs open, a half-written paragraph, and your cursor is blinking at you like it knows you are about to copy and paste from Wikipedia. Sounds familiar, eh? Don't worry. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to avoid plagiarism without losing your mind. Whether you are a high school or university student, or anyone writing essays, assignments, or research papers. Let's make it simple, stress-free, and maybe even fun. What is plagiarism? All right, let's keep it real. Plagiarism is basically stealing someone's work and pretending it's yours. But here's the twist. You can plagiarize without even knowing it. Just copying a sentence from a website without citation. Boom, that's plagiarism. Even paraphrasing badly or forgetting to mention your source counts. But don't panic. I'm going to show you how to beat it and still finish that essay on time. Why do students accidentally plagiarize? Here I'm going to discuss 5 top reasons for plagiarism, especially when the deadline monster is breathing down your neck. Number 1, the mentality of I will cite later, but you find yourself never doing it. Number 2, confusing paraphrasing and rewording. Number 3, copying and pasting from your notes without sources. 4, overusing AI and forgetting it still counts. 5, not understanding what needs a citation. Sounds familiar? We've all been there, but now let's fix it. Now, how can we avoid plagiarism, especially when we are in a rush? Tip number 1, use the sticky note method. When you find a quote or an idea, write down the sources immediately, like putting a sticky note on it. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Tip number 2, paraphrase like a pro. Paraphrasing is more than changing a few words. You've got to read, understand, and rewrite it in your own words, like explaining it to your little cousin. Tip number 3, cite everything. If you got the idea from somewhere, cite it. Better to oversight than undercite. Tip number 4, use tools wisely. Use tools like Grammarly, Quillbot, or Turnitin. But remember, they don't replace you. These tools are helpers and not magic. Tip number 5, start earlier. Even 10 minutes helps. The best way to avoid plagiarism, start just a little earlier. Even 10 minutes of planning can save you a world of panic at midnight. Now, let's look at the common student myths. Myth number 1, if I use AI, it's not plagiarism. But the fact is, if you submit your work without editing or citing, yes, it becomes plagiarism. Myth number 2, I changed the words, so I am safe. The fact is, if the idea is copied and uncited, it's still plagiarism. If this video helped you, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your colleagues who are freaking out about their paper or assignment right now. Let's build a community where academic success is fun, supportive, and drama-free. See you all in the next video. Bye!